Hello there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with this year's Christmas album altered in papers from the Joy to the World collection from Graphic 45. I've used our Box It kit, a kit that's been around for 4 to 5 years, to make the outside of the album, and then the 12 by 12 collection pack, patterns and solids, 8 by 8 paper pad, and the ephemera cards to decorate the whole thing with some added extras. These are a very old Stampin' Up punch, but I quite like the fact that there are 2 different sized photo corners, and occasionally that punch gets pulled out, and I quite like adding random corners. So you'll see those through the album as well. So it's just under 3 inches deep when assembled. It's got a nice deep cover and a sort of a boxed look, and the cover is held together with magnets on this band here, and they just come round and keep that lid like a box when you open up the album, and then because it's magnetic they all fall out and lie flat so that you can open up all of the pages inside. So let me take you through what's in here. We've got lots of magnetic closures, so we've got a lovely fold out section here with one of the ephemera cards that just slides under that belly band, and I've used the patterns and solids here, the plaid paper left over from the cover on that gorgeous holly paper, and then teamed it up with a coordinating ephemera card with that gorgeous angel on. I love the angels in this collection. And then I've sort of carried on that holly theme on the opposite page. We've got a really nice deep pocket here. We've got an ephemera card with a tag underneath. The tag was cut from the paper. And then another little cutout from the paper slides into that little slot on the ephemera card. And then I've gone with green and plaid papers for photo mats that slide into the pocket. And then there are 4 pages in the album, and each page has, it's just a pocket so that you can just put your own photos in on photo mats or not, but you've got somewhere to tuck more than you can get onto the pages. So that one I've coordinated in or decorated in papers that have the bells, the holly leaves, the green in the background, and the angels to match that theme. And then flipping over, oh, it's stripy on the back, forgot to mention that. Flipping over, I've gone for the green and gold colourway. So we've got 2 nice little pockets here. Both have slide out tags, and both have small journaling cards that are photo mats that slide into the little bands on each of the pockets. And then I've used the cutouts from the collection to just add a picture to the front of those pockets, and they just slide in like that. And then on the opposite side we've got a tuck spot under the ephemera card. I love that, with that lovely banner with the holly leaves and the bell. And then the page opens with a magnetic closure, which I also love, and folds out, and then we've got a little pocket on the inside here, and a little tuck spot under the sticker. This is the patterns and solids in the gold with those lovely musical notes and holly leaves. And then there is a deep pocket for your photo mats, and I've just gone for gold and green to coordinate with the theme. And then the tag matches the back of the photo mat over there. And the large ephemera card sits on the back of this section. And then a nice plaid photo holder with the angels on the back that coordinates with the next page. And you can see there's a black photo corner here. They're dotted about quite randomly. Oh, there's one up here as well. So if I pull that out, you can see that coordinates with the angels. I've gone for the blue stripe with the angels, and a really simple page. It's just got a deep pocket with a split in it, a little sticker on the split. We've got 2 black photo corners, and the angels are from the 8x8 paper. And then we've got the large ephemera card that goes in the pocket, and smaller ephemera card with the angel, and a sticker mounted on black card that slide in that bottom pocket. And then on the opposite page, again, we've got a large ephemera card in the deep pocket, and one of the cutout tags from the paper behind the sticker, and that's on a band that comes down the page, and then there are 2 photo mats that slide under the band, like that. She says it doesn't want to go under. That's it. And the red just coordinates with the outside of that ephemera card. And then if we pull the photo pocket out, we've got all of the angels, the bells and the flowers on there as well. So the whole thing really coordinates beautifully. And then on the back of that one, I've got the lovely pink Celebrate the Season, Holy Night, all the banners with the leaves. Let's slide that one back in and flip over. Let's just pull this out. And on this side, we have got a nice folding pocket section with the ephemera card on the front, with the lovely banners that coordinate with the banners on the pink paper. And then there is a small pocket on the inside, that's a cutout from the paper, with an ephemera card and a cutout mounted on black card. And then we've got a fold-up section, somewhere to tuck your pictures, and then a band so that you can add more into your page as well. And I've gone for the 8x8 holly paper that matches the lovely bell paper. Nice ephemera card with the angel on. And then a lovely tuck spot under the ephemera card on the front of the flap. So that's the left-hand side. And then sliding over, we have got a really deep pocket on this page with a lovely large photo mat, 5x7 photo mat there. And then on the front of the pocket, there are 2 sections and a little tuck spot. Is it a tuck spot? Yeah, at the bottom. So this one is a sticker, and then patterns and solids with the solid red at the top, and then the stickers mounted on black card to create the banner. And then we've got a large ephemera card that drops in the top, and a smaller one for the bottom pocket, along with that lovely cutout of the angel that goes in there as well. And then the pull-out mat has got the same paper as I've got on the back of the pull-out mat here, for you to add more pictures into the pocket. And then that one's that lovely red, pinky red plaid paper on the back. And there, let's slide that one in. And again, you can see the photo corners, they're quite effective. And then, flicking over to the back page, I've used the 8x8 paper on the back of the mat here, or the pocket section, and then the larger paper on the page. And the page has really large pocket behind here, and then this folds out so you can add photos into the centre section that folds up. And then there are 2 tags that just slide in front of the top to hold it closed, and a large and small ephemera card that slide into the pocket that go with that pinky theme. So let's just pop those in there like that. And then on this side we've got a little photo book and a really deep pocket with a band on the front. So lots of room to add pictures under the band. And then this lovely little photo book I've just added 2 pages, but you could add more. They're at inch depths, starting at 6 1/4, but you could do 6 1/2, 6 1/2, 6 1/2, 6, 5 1/2, 5, 4 1/2, 4, if you wanted to, or just keep them all the same size, and then cover them with the patterns and solids and the plaid paper. I've joined them with a lovely bow on the left hand side, and then put an ephemera card on the front, and then use the same paper as the back of that pull-out pocket section to coordinate with the page. And then my favourite paper of all is underneath the back of the pocket. I love that flowery paper. I've used it lots in many of the projects that I've made with this gorgeous collection. So that is it. That is the Joy to the World boxed album. And then these all hold up. Let's close up the lid. Flip the pages back. And then close the box. And there it is. So if you've loved that album and you'd like to make it, you can find the link to the PDF and the bundle that goes with the album set. So it comes with magnets, round tabs, black card and the box it kit. Or if you want to make it with standard album covers, there's a bundle that comes with the 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 album cover set, and you just decorate as is, but just reduce the size slightly. It's all written in the instructions. So I hope you've enjoyed that walkthrough, and I've inspired you to craft with this gorgeous paper collection. Thanks very much for watching, and do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Bye for now.